Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to track my package on AliExpress. Here's how to track your package on AliExpress. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to the AliExpress website, just like I have done right here. Then log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, we have a couple of options which include My Orders, My Coins, Message Center, Payment, Wish List, My Coupon, and all the way down to Accessibility. Go ahead and click on My Orders from the drop-down menu. In the My Orders page, which apparently has been displayed here, you'll see a list of purchases. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the specific order you want to track. Once you locate your order, you'll see a button next to it labeled Track Order. Go ahead and click the Track Order button. Then, a new page will open showing the tracking details of your package, including the current location and delivery status. You may also see estimated delivery dates depending on the shipping method. If you need more details, you can also copy the tracking number provided and use it on a third-party tracking site like 17Track or directly on the courier's website for real-time updates. Likewise, you can check from this top here we have to pay, to ship, shipped, processed. So you can click any of the steps to also track your orders. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.